Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a forum channel within your Discord server. So this feature has to have a public server, so you need to turn your server onto public to be able to use the forum feature. But then this feature allows you to do a lot more things that you might not be able to do on a regular text channel. So let's go ahead and come up here to the little down caret. And then I am going to click create channel. Typically, if it's a private server, then it's going to just be text or voice. But because this is public, you can create a forum channel or announcement or stage. This is, let's just say it's going to be forum 1. However, you can choose for this to be a private channel. So that does add a little bit of privacy back to you that might have been taken away when you made the server public. So I'm going to click do that. Then next, because I did have this be private, it's going to suggest to us to add different roles or people. I'm just going to skip it for now. And then you'll have different getting started features. You can set different permissions, create post guidelines, tags, set a default reaction, or to make the first post. So those are 5 different actions that you can do, but that forum channel is there ready to go. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the playlist down below.